Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys my Chipotle order, but I'm doing it right at home. It's 2023 and anybody got time to be paying for extra guac, so let's get right into it. The main thing that I'm going to show you guys how to make in today's video is the chicken, because I feel like this is the main event. Starting out with some chicken thighs that's already cleaned up nicely and washed with some vinegar and lemon juice. I'm just going to go ahead and season it up. For my seasonings, I'm using garlic salt, all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. Now I'm just going to close up the Ziploc and just rub all that seasonings into the chicken all together, get it nice and flavorful. For a little bit of added flavor, I like to use the chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. I'm just going to pour the whole can into it to serve as a marinade for the chicken. Close the Ziploc once again and get to working that marinade into the chicken. Once everything is rubbed in nicely, this is how the chicken looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and seal the Ziploc and put it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. A little over 24 hours later, it's time to cook up the chicken. Once the chicken is all done, it's time to move on to preparing some other ingredients. I made some delicious homemade guac. If you guys would like a full video, let me know in the comments down below and I got you. For my order at Chipotle, I usually get white rice, of course, because it tastes better than brown rice. Duh. So I made some cilantro lime rice. I already have a video on here, so I'm going to link that down below. Then I added on some black beans. That delicious chicken I just made, of course. Definitely gotta have some corn salsa, some tomato salsa as well. Most definitely gotta have the guacamole. And yup, we about to be extra on it because Chipotle be trying it. Then I add some cheese. This is the Fiesta blend because I didn't have no mozzarella, but it works perfectly fine as well. And some sour cream. Dependent on how I feel, I might add some lettuce as well, just for a little razzle-dazzle, but this is my order right here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what's your order at Chipotle. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see here on my channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.